The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Pull on the base of the glove box door and lift to remove the glove box from its hinges. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure on the base sides will have it click into place. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.